Hello guys, today we're going to work on something that we did the previous time. So if you haven't checked that out, check our previous tutorial. We worked on 3 major chords that can be used to play all the major scale, the notes of the major scale in the key of F. And today we are going to apply what we learned the previous time to this. If you've not done that, go and check out that video on the channel. So we have the major scale, which was, and we had the chords that we used to play, which was, so today we're going to do a song like Now to Onyankopong and use the chords that we learned in the previous video to play that. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also, if I'm going too fast or too slow or there's something you don't understand, leave it in the comment section and I'll address it in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's so needed. Alright, let's move to the keyboard. Alright, go, ciao. Magically we're back to the keyboard. So this is what we're coming to do here. Onyankopong. And we're going to use this chords, those 3 chords, with their inventions. Nothing more, nothing less again. At the end of the video, I'll try and spice it up with something small. Maybe you can pick that up if you're not an absolute beginner. So we have basically now to do re mi 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 mi. But you should understand that the bass side of the song does not always follow the melody line. So it adds harmony to the song. So that basically most of the times works with your ears, how you understand these things. And that's how we go about it. But so just do chew and pour. So once I get on the notes, if you're learning at home on a bigger screen, you just follow along. All right, can we do that? Okay, so we have, instead of that, I would have to stay on the first note. That's on the feet again. Get it? Just remember the melody line, and now once you learn the chords that I taught in the previous video with the melody line, you can follow along with this kind of bass lines I am introducing, so we can be faster on this. But if I'm too fast, like I'm saying, leave that in the comment section. But please try and use the right finger positions. Basically, I'm playing just 4 or 5 chord notes on my left hand, so you can put your finger on it, the pinky here, the next one follows, so you have it like that. So once it's on the fa, that's the 4th, you hit on the 4th, Once it's on the feet, you hit on the feet. We get it, right? So you have that is how it goes. So for now, we're going to introduce some new lines to this, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to play some other additional licks to it. Let's listen. I did something little in there. I did. Again. What did I mean there? What did I do? I had to play a diminished seventh. This is for a little bit advanced people. But then I chose you have 3 diminished seventh chords on the keyboard. So, but basically we're looking at the E flat, diminished seventh. Then we took off the second and the 4th inlet. So we had the 4th finger inlet. So we had that space. Then we came to the B flat. First inversion, we took out the middle notes in there. We have. Then we came to the F major, second inversion. Then we took out the middle note in there. So we had. Very nice one. It works for a lot of songs. All right. So once you pick those things up, I'm sure you can play a lot of songs. We'll go on other songs. You could use the same style to play. All right. So for now, I'm off, and I'm gone. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.